Hello parents, this is the first math homework video for this year. Throughout the course of the year, I will be uploading different math videos so that you can help your child with their homework, especially as concepts become increasingly more difficult. It's helpful to know the words and the terms that we use in class so that you can best help your child. So this will be a great resource for you to come here and look for these videos. I will always email or send a reminder text that I have uploaded a video. This video today is probably not going to be very helpful for the homework, but just to kind of give you an overview as to the things we're learning about and what math homework is like. So when your child does get math homework, a lot of times it will have a side that says homework, and it will have a side that says remembering. Sometimes I will have your child do both sides if I feel they are beneficial. Most often, your child will just need to do the homework side. A lot of times we do the remembering side in class together as partners. So your child may come home with this side already done. If it's not finished, don't worry about it. Just have them do the homework side. So this is the side that's the most important. What we're learning about in math right now is we're on Unit 2, which we're learning about addition and subtraction. And so backing up to Unit 1, our first unit, we learned that all numbers have partners. So for example, the number 5, it has partners 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 make 5. It also has partners 1 and 4 because 1 and 4 make 5. So what we're doing now that we're transitioning to addition is we are looking as to which partners we have. So for this problem number 1, our partners are 5, 6, 7. So my first partner is 7, and my second partner is 2. So that's what your child would write at the top. You're asking them to find the 2 partners. Then I'm figuring out my total. And when we figure out our total, we talk about there are a few different strategies that we can use. And we'll use these strategies throughout the entire year in first grade. And we'll add more strategies as the year goes on. I'm going to go over to those strategies. I like to ask the kids, what strategy did you use to find the total? Sometimes we can use the circle drawing and we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I used the circle drawing, I counted. That is one strategy. Another strategy we can use is mental math. Sometimes I just remember things because I've memorized the partners, and I memorized that 5 and 2 are partners of 7, and that's how I found my answer. We've also talked about counting on. When I see this problem, I see that I have 5, and I'm just adding 2 more. So I can count on, I can think 5, and I'll count on 6, 7. So I used that strategy to find my answer. I can also use my fingers. We don't discourage using our fingers in first grade. It's a math tool that we have right on our bodies to help us. I can use 5 fingers or 7 fingers and then my 2 fingers and count those, and that is my answer. So these are the 4 strategies we've talked about so far. Like I said, we'll add more as the year goes on. But as your child finds that total, it might be helpful to ask them, what strategy did you use? Now, I also understand you don't always do your math homework with your child, and that's totally fine. I'm just giving you these videos and these tips so that if you do work on math with your child, or if your child is struggling with their math homework, you have some ways to help them. So I hope that makes sense. If you ever have any questions about what we're learning in math or about the homework, please feel free to email me or stop in so that I can better explain something to you. But like I said, I hope these videos are going to be helpful. I used them a lot last year and found they were very, very beneficial. So I will continue with that this year. Hopefully your child has had a great start to math, and if you have any concerns, let me know. Thanks.